If you want to know how to send voice messages on Discord, this video will walk you through the quickest method using a simple audio file. Discord does not always work the same way on every device, so this is a practical workaround that lets you record your voice, save it, and send it directly in chat like a normal attachment. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button, and make sure you subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your computer's built-in voice recorder on Windows. You can do this by searching for Voice Recorder in the Start menu. Once it opens, you'll see the option to start recording right away. Click the Record button and speak clearly into your microphone. Try to keep your message short and focused, so it's easy for the person receiving it to listen to. When you're finished, stop the recording and make sure the audio file has been saved to your computer. Depending on your settings, the file may save as an audio format like .mp3 or .m4a or another supported format. The important thing is that you know exactly where the file is stored so you can find it later. If needed, rename the file so it's easy to identify. That can help a lot if you plan to send more than one voice message. Now go back to your Discord chat. Open the conversation where you want to send the voice message. At the bottom of the chat, next to the text input box, click the plus icon. This is the button Discord uses for attachments, files, and uploads. Once you click it, choose Upload a File from the menu. A file browser window will open, and from there, locate the audio file you just recorded. Select it, and then click Open or choose the Upload option depending on your device. Before sending, take a quick second to confirm that you selected the correct file. This is especially helpful if you have multiple audio recordings saved on your computer. When everything looks right, send the file just like you would send any other attachment in Discord. Your voice message will now appear in the chat, and the other person can open it and listen to the audio. This method is simple, fast, and perfect if you want to share your voice without typing a long message. It's also useful for sending clearer instructions, personal updates, or quick explanations. And that's it. You've now learned how to send voice messages on Discord using a recorded audio file. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.